Hey, Patty G here. I've been busy with lots of little projects here in the shop. Hey, Patty G here. Welcome back to Patty G DIY. I've been busy out here in the shop. Nothing major, just lots of little stuff. And so I'm going to run through some clips and talk about what I've been doing. Check it out. So I have some JCL product bench vise inserts. Got neo magnets on the back that hold them securely to the face of the vise. They've got a smooth side and they've got a side with serrations cut in it, a horizontal, some 45s, a large and a small, and some verticals, a large and a small. And they are really handy. I've used them a lot. These things are also tough as nails. They're not soft like some of the others. Check this out. Can't hurt them. Joshua Espinoza, you left a comment on the 4214 drill press video wanting to see somebody drill some metal on this thing. This is for you. RPM. One hope. This is galvanized, 3/4 inch, very heavy wall. Last but not least, 1 inch galvanized. I don't think the drill press even knew it was there. There you go, Joshua. Thanks for commenting. Okay, one thing I wanted to do, I want to pin this collar. It's on with 2 set screws. Not the best of what I want to do with it. So, I'm going to run a pin through there and put a screw in it to hold it. That may just work. I'm going to try to let this thing cut as it goes. Let's see what happens here. It is not coming off. And there it is. Well, lots of little items here in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And here's a sneak peek of what's coming up next. I've got a 2005 Honda VT 1100 C2. And I'm getting it ready for spring. Check it out. And coming up next on Patty G DIY, we're going to do a motorcycle project. Getting it ready for spring. And as always, thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you later.